Hello everyone. Good morning. I hope you all are enjoying your day. Today I am with a new chapter of English communication. English is the language of our international communication in all areas like politics, science, media, or art, and it is often the language of entertainment as well as socializing. Having a good command of English help us to have more English speaking and in life opportunities in life. Successful communication helps us better understand people and situation, and it helps us overcome diversities, build trust and respect, and create conditions to sharing creative ideas and solving problems. What is the need of communication? Because English is a polycentric language. So I am today here with a chapter of English speaking to all of you. This is a conversation between two friends, Rekha and Medhavi, and by this conversation we will learn how to speak between two friends. This is a small conversation between two friends, and it is the best art of speaking fluently. And if you will do these type of conversations between your friends by changing some words in these sentences, then you will become fluent in English. So let's start. रेखा, हाय मेधावी, व्हाट अ नाइस पेन। रेखा पूछती है कि मेधावी, वाह कितना अच्छा कलम है। मेधावी से थैंक यू, इट्स बर्थडे प्रेजेंट। धन्यवाद, यह जन्मदिन का तोहफा है। रेखा, रियली, सच में। मेधावी, माय अंकल सेंट इट फ्रॉम मथुरा। मेरे अंकल ने उन्होंने इसे मथुरा से भेजा था। सो यू कैन यूज दीज सेंटेंसेस इन योर लाइफ एंड you can apply these sentences, this type of conversation between your friends, and by practicing this type of conversation you will succeed in life. And I will give many type of conversations between friends, between mother and father, between mother and son, between boss and HR. So this is the second conversation. This conversation take place between two strangers like Sumit and Ajit. This conversation plays an important role if you are going somewhere and you want to ask someone that where is this place located. So you can start your conversation by this small conversation tips. And you can also apply this conversation at different places. I am using some sentence and you can also apply this sentence in your life. Sumit, where is Raman colony please? Raman colony kahan hai please? So Ajit, go straight, you will see a gate to your right. This that is Raman कॉलोनी. सीधे जाओ, आपको अपने दाहिने ओर एक गेट दिखाई देगा, वह है रमन कॉलोनी. सुमित से थैंक यू, आपको धन्यवाद. अजीत, यू आर वेलकम, आपका स्वागत है. सो यू कैन यूज दिस sentences in your life by changing some few words in these sentences. If you apply these type of sentences, you will communicate smoothly in front of anyone in English. These are small sentences, and if you recite these sentences number of times in your communication becomes smooth and you speak fluently English. And these sentences are very easy, and but you have to do hard work, and there is no substitute to hard work. If you apply these sentences number of times in your communication, your communication skill could excel. Then this is the next conversation between two women, Mrs. Ambani and Mrs. Vashne. This communication also plays like two women are talking with each other, how the communication takes place, how the communication goes so smoothly. And if these two women conversing with each other like on a particular topic, and you can also change some words of this topic and apply this in your life. Like the communication started between two women, Mrs. Ambani and Mrs. Vashne. Mrs. Ambani said, hello Mrs. Vashne, namaste Ms. Shrimati Vashne. Mrs. Vashne said, fine, thank you, ठीक, धन्यवाद. Mrs. Ambani said, coming from the market, बाजार से आ रही हैं. Then in this way, Mrs. Ambani and Mrs. Vashne communicate to each other with few words. I say hi, hello, and Mrs. Vashne, say thank you, and the Ambani asks, coming from the market. In this way, in the small sentences, you can communicate to each other in English. Then Mrs. Vashne say, went to buy some sweets. मिठाई लेने गए थे. Mrs. Ambani, come for a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए आओ ना. Mrs. Vashne बोलती हैं, थैंक यू, आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग सम गेस्ट एक्चुअली. शुक्रिया, मैं वास्तव में कुछ मेहमानों की अपेक्षा कर रही हूँ। मिसेस अंबानी, ओह आई सी, मिसेस शर्मा, मैं समझी, श्रीमती शर्मा. So these are the way of small communication you can do, and you can change few words, like she said when to buy some sweets. You can replace sweets to some vegetables, sweets to some other things. So everybody has equal opportunity, and I think that is true for everything. We all have equal opportunity, and we can apply. Like I am, I am giving this small communication skills to you, and if you apply and if you repeat these type of communication in your small portions of life, then you become smooth in English communication, and it will surely help you, because it also helping me. If I am also not a good speaker, but when I speak, when I use these little sentences in my English speaking, it becomes smooth. So I hope this is a fresh beginning, this is a good beginning for everyone who are here to learn small English speaking sentences and to become fluent and smooth in English. I hope this will to give you a good platform, and I will surely come in the next video like these small communication talks, and I hope we will do wonder. Thank you very much, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.